My name's Liam Sill. I'm the CTO and one of the co-founders at Minimal.
And why did you decide to go chainless?
We build products like this, the Pedal 4, which are designed for commercial applications where ultimate reliability and cost of ownership needs to be kept to a minimum. And that's the main reason. There's no maintenance involved with the chain or the drivetrain, so the end customers get huge benefits from it.
What do you think about active mobility?
I think it's really important. Products like this have a real opportunity to change the way that people do jobs like logistics and moving things in and around cities and towns. Being able to move while you work is better for people, it's better for your health, it makes the world a better place, I guess.
Okay, last but not least, could you maybe show and present this big guy?
Yeah, sure. So this is our Pedal 4 product. It's a heavy-duty cargo bike that moves 2.5 cubic meters of volume, 300 kg of weight in the back. It's designed for anybody to be able to ride it. Again, with the CIXI system, we can tune that pedal feel so that it's accessible to anybody that wants to do this type of job. People look at these and they're obviously a bit different. The reason that this is an important form factor for cities going forward is that they are roughly 30 to 40% more efficient at moving things about town. They cost roughly half as much, massively lower cost in terms of energy that they use, and they are roughly 95% more efficient in terms of CO2, like impact into CO2 equivalent into the world. So yeah, we think that this is going to be a major factor in cities going forward.
Thank you so much.